Okay, A to Z covers here. This is our easy magnetic pass-through on our high roof Sprinter no seam sliding door zipper screen. This is our standard zipper screen. We're offering a pass-through. You can put anywhere you want in your screen. If you have cabinets in the front, you can put it in the back. If they're in the back, you put it in the front. Okay, the screen gets cut, it gets loop binding on each side, and there is 2 magnet strips that are mated. One has hook on the outside and loop on the inside, or actually they both do. And these are sewn on both sides all the way around. Basically, you spread your screen apart where it's going to be installed. You take your hook side, stick it right about on the edge of the loop, all the way down. Line that up. Okay. Basically, you're going to have to repeat the same process on the other side. This is 2-inch hook tape. It can be used to close the seam up completely, or just wrap the magnets, strips, around the front with a loop binding on the back to encapsulate it and hold it in place. Because the seal is so strong, if you don't do this, every time you pull it apart, the magnets will be pulling off of the Velcro. So that's basically it. You repeat the same procedure on the other side, and you'll have your magnetic closure for your zipper screen. Easy pass through back and forth, and the screen is still removable at the gasket, at the Velcro, all the way around. Very simple, clean process. You don't have to bend up and down every time, and 100% seal. A to Z covers.